The name of YaHUaH is a strong tower. HaSadaka, the righteous, run into it and are safe. Proverbs 18:10. O YaHUaH, my strength and my stronghold and my refuge, in the day of distress, the nation shall come to you from the ends of Ha'aretz and say, our fathers have inherited falsehood, futility, and there is no value in them. YaHUaH 16:19. No worries, because Yakazaku 39:7-8, and I shall make my set-apart name known in the midst of my people, YaSHaRALa, and not let my set-apart name be profaned anymore. And the nation shall know that I am YaHUaH, the set-apart one, in YaSHaRALa. See, it shall come, and it shall be done, declares the Master YaHUaH. This is the day of which I have spoken. For my thoughts are not your thoughts, neither are your ways my ways, declares YaHUaH. Let the wrong forsake his way, and the unrighteous man his thoughts. Let him return to YaHUaH, who has compassion on him, and to our Elohayim, for he pardons much. Seek YaHUaH while he is to be found. Call on him while he is near. See, a nation you do not know, you shall call, and a nation who does not know you run to you, because of YaHUaH, your Elohayim, the set-apart one of YaSHaRALa. He has adorned you. Yeshayahu 55:5-8. Verse 11. So is my DaBaR that goes forth from my mouth. It does not return to me empty, but shall do what I please, and shall certainly accomplish what I sent it for. Yeshayahu 56:1-6. Thus said YaHUaH, guard right ruling and do righteousness, for near is my deliverance to come and my righteousness to be revealed. Baruch is the man who does this, and the son of man who becomes strong in it, guarding HaShabbat, lest he profane it, and guarding his hand from doing any evil. And let not the son of the foreigner who has joined himself to YaHUaH speak, saying, YaHUaH has certainly separated me from his people, nor let the eunuch say, look, I am a dry tree. For thus said YaHUaH to the eunuchs who guard my Shabbat, and have chosen what pleases me, and are holding unto my BaRaYaTH, to them I shall give in my house, and within my walls, a place and a name better than that of sons and daughters. I give them an everlasting name that is not cut off, and also the sons of the foreigner who join themselves to YaHUaH, to serve him and to love the name of YaHUaH, to be his servants, all who guard HaShabbat and not profane it, and are holding on to my BaRaYaTH. YaHUaH 51. Show me Thuba, O YaHUaH Elohayim, according to your AYaBaRaYaTH, according to the greatness of your compassion. Blot out my transgressions. Wash me completely from my guilt, and cleanse me from my sins. For I know my transgressions, and my sin is ever before me. Against you alone have I sinned and done this evil in your eyes, that you might be proven right in your words and be clear when you judge. Hallelujah, YaHUaH.
Hallelujah, YaHUaH. YaHUaH, Psalms 19:7-14. The Ra of YaHUaH is perfect, bringing back the being. The witness of YaHUaH is trustworthy, making wise the simple. The orders of YaHUaH are straight, rejoicing the heart. The command of YaHUaH is clear, enlightening the eyes. The fear of YaHUaH is clean, standing forever. The right rulings of YaHUaH are amath, true. They are sadaka, altogether righteous. More desirable than gold, than much fine gold, and sweeter than honey and the honeycomb. Also, your servant is warned by them. In guarding them there is great reward. Who discerns mistakes? Declare me innocent from those that are secret. Also keep your servant back from presumptuous ones. Do not let them rule over me. Then I shall be perfect and innocent of great transgression. Let the words of my mouth and the meditations of my heart be pleasing before Allah. You, O YaHUaH, my rock and my Redeemer. Hallelujah, YaHUaH. YaHUaH, Psalm 63, 1-4. O YaHUaH, Elohayim, you are my Eluah. I earnestly seek Athah, you. My being has thirst for Athah, you. My flesh has longed for Athah, you, in a dry and thirsty land without water. Therefore I have had a vision of you and the set apart place to see your power and your esteem, because your AYaBaRaYaTH is better than life. My lips do praise Athah, you. Therefore I baruch you while I live. By your Sham name I lift up my hands. Hallelujah. YaHuaH, Psalms 119, 1-20. Alapa, Baruch are the perfect in the way, who walk Bahathara in the Thara of YaHuaH. Baruch are those who observe his witnesses, who seek him with all the heart. Yes, they shall do no unrighteousness. They shall walk in his ways. You have commanded us to guard your orders diligently. Oh, that my ways were established to guard your laws. Then I would not be ashamed when I look into all your commands. I thank you, Thura, with uprightness of heart. When I learn the right rulings of your righteousness, I guard your laws. Oh, do not leave me entirely. Bayatha, how would a young man cleanse his path, Daraka, to guard it according to your DaBaR word? I have sought you, Athah, with all my heart. Let me not stray from your commands. I have treasured up your DaBaR word in my heart, La, that I might not sin against Athah. Baruch are you, O YaHuaH. Teach me your laws. With my lips I have recounted all the right rulings of your mouth. I have rejoiced in the way of your witnesses as over all riches. I meditate on your orders and regard your ways. I delight myself in your laws. I do not forget your DaBaR. Gayamala, do good to your servant. Let me live and I guard your DaBaR. Open my eyes that I might see wonders from your Thara. I am a sojourner in the earth. Do not hide your commands from me. My being is crushed with longing for your right rulings at all times. Hallelujah. YaHuaH, Psalm 1, 1-6. Baruch is the man who shall not walk in the counsel of the wrong, and shall not stand in the path of sinners, and shall not sit in the seat of scoffers. But his delight is Bahathara of YaHuaH, and he meditates in his Thara day and night. For he shall be as a tree planted by the rivers of Mayim, water, that yields its fruit in its season, and whose leaf does not wither, and whatever he does prospers. The wrong are not so, but are like the chaff which the wind blows away. Therefore the wrong shall not rise in the judgment, nor sinners in the congregation of Hasadaka, righteous. For YaHuaH knows the way of Hasadaka, righteous, but the way, Daraka, of the wrong comes to naught. Sayaraka, Sarak 1. All wisdom comes from YaHuaH and is with him forever. Who can number the sand of the sea and the drops of rain and the days of eternity? Who can find out the height of the heaven and the breadth of the earth and the deep and wisdom? Wisdom has been created before all things, and the understanding of prudence from everlasting. DaBaR of all AYaLaYaHUaH, the Most High, is the fountain of wisdom, and her ways are everlasting commandments. To whom has the root of wisdom been revealed? Or who has known her wise counsels? Unto whom has the knowledge of wisdom been made manifest? And who has understood her great experience? There is one wise and greatly to be feared, YaHuaH, sitting upon his throne. He created her. and saw her, and numbered her, and poured her out upon all his works. She is with all flesh according to his gift, and he has given her to them that love him. The fear of YaHUaH is honor and glory and gladness and a crown of rejoicing. The fear of YaHUaH makes a merry heart and gives joy and gladness and a long life. Whoso fears YaHUaH, it shall go well with him at the last. He shall find favor in the day of his death. To fear YaHUaH is the beginning of wisdom, and it was created with the faithful in the womb. She has built an everlasting foundation with men, and she shall continue with their seed. To fear YaHUaH is fullness of wisdom, and fills men with her fruits. She fills all their houses with things desirable, and the garners with her increase. The fear of YaHUaH is a crown of wisdom, making shalom, peace, and perfect health to flourish, both which are gifts of YaHUaH, and it enlarges their rejoicing that love him. Wisdom rains down skill and knowledge of the understanding, and exalts them to honor that hold her fast. The root of wisdom is to fear YaHUaH, and the branches thereof are long life. The fear of YaHUaH drives away sin, and where it is present, it turns back wrath. A furious man cannot be justified, for the sway of his fury shall be his destruction. A patient man will tear for a time, and afterward joy shall spring up unto him. He shall hide his words for a time, and the lips of many shall declare his wisdom. The parables of knowledge are in the treasures of wisdom, but the fear of YaHUaH is abominable to a sinner. If you desire wisdom, guard the commandments, and YaHUaH shall give her unto you. For the fear of YaHUaH is wisdom and instruction, and faith and meekness are his delight. Distrust not the fear of YaHUaH when you are poor, and come not unto him with a double heart. Be not a hypocrite in the sight of men, and take good heed what you speak. Exalt not yourself lest you fall, and bring dishonor upon your soul. And so YaHUaH discover your secrets, and cast you down in the midst of the assembly, because you came not ba'amatha in truth to the fear of YaHUaH, but your heart is full of deceit.